Tired of the name, My AI on Snapchat? Want to give it a personal touch and make it more fun? In this short video, I'll show you how to edit the name of your AI assistant. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss any of my new tutorials. Alright, let's begin. First, find your Snapchat app on your home screen and open it. Once you're in Snapchat, tap this icon here to access your chat list. Now, in this section, you can see the list of all your conversations. Find the My AI chat. It's usually near the top. Then, tap and hold on it until a menu with options appears. In that menu, you'll see several choices. Find the option Manage Friendship and tap on it. Next, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option Edit Name. Tap on it, and a field will appear where you can delete the old name and enter a new one. When you're done, tap the Save button to save your changes. Right after that, tap the Done button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. Now you can see that the name My AI has changed to the one you entered. Your AI is now personalized and ready to chat with its new unique name. If you have any more questions or want to learn how to customize My AI further, feel free to leave a comment below. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.